Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a super useful skill for anyone who uses Google Sheets, how to go back to a previous version of your spreadsheet. Maybe you made some edits you didn't mean to, or perhaps a teammate accidentally deleted something important. Don't worry. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to restore your Google Sheet to an earlier version so you can breathe easy when mistakes happen. Alright, let's jump right in. Imagine you're working on a big spreadsheet, maybe it's a budget, a schedule, or a project tracker. Suddenly you see that something's gone wrong, some numbers are changed or whole sections are missing. It happens. But instead of panicking or spending hours trying to fix what got lost, let's use Google Sheets' built-in version history to turn back the clock. The first thing you want to do is look up in the upper right corner of your Google Sheet. Just beside the All Comments button, there's a little icon that looks a bit like a clock or a watch face. This is the version history button. It's easy to miss if you're not looking for it, but it's a real lifesaver, so take a second to make sure you spot it. Go ahead and click on that icon. It might take a moment for Google Sheets to load up the version history, especially if your spreadsheet has a lot of data or has been heavily edited over time. But don't worry if it takes a few seconds. This is Google gathering all the changes that have happened to your file since its creation. Now you're looking at the version history panel, which pops up on the right side of your screen. Here, where the magic happens. You'll see a list of dates and times, each one representing a snapshot of your sheet at that moment. If you've named your versions or if multiple people have been editing, you might even see who made which changes, which is super helpful for tracking down when something got changed. Scroll through the list and pick out the version you want to go back to. If you're not sure which one is correct, you can actually click on each version and Google Sheets will show you exactly what your data looked like at that time. This kind of preview is great because you can double-check your work before you commit to rolling things back. Think of it as looking through old photos before deciding which one you want to print. Once you've found the version that has all the information you need, look up at the top of the page. You'll see a blue button that says Restore this version. Go ahead and click it. Google Sheets will give you a quick confirmation prompt just to make sure you're ready to revert. You wouldn't want to do this by accident. Once you confirm, the sheet will instantly switch to that version, catching you up to the exact point in time you chose. And that's all there is to it. Your spreadsheet is now restored, just like rewinding a movie to your favorite scene. Remember, you can do this as many times as you need, so don't be afraid to explore past versions until you find the perfect spot. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions about Google Sheets or want to see more tutorials on topics like this, drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.